Hey guys, so this Valentin returned to me with a popped air bubble. Neither me nor my client are actually sure how this happened. I'm guessing something happened in the casting, but while this guy was with me, I figured I might as well film the process to kind of show you guys what it looks like to repair damage like this. Here you can see me carving out the area with the Dremel drill. Here I'm showing how the dust just gets everywhere. Now I'm just cleaning the desk back up again so I can start with a clean workplace. And now that we have a clean workplace, I'm just going to set the horse back and we will get to work. Here I'm just using a damp paper towel to wipe off the excess dust from the dremeling. Pull out that magic sculpt, and don't forget the gloves. I like to use water, and these are just kind of some of the tools that I like to use. I didn't end up actually using 2 of these. Mix together equal parts of the resin as well as the hardener. We're just going to mix that until it's blended, then just plop it on the model. I like to use my fingers for a lot of the beginning part of this process. A lot of this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just kind of smoothing the epoxy into the crevice that I carved out. Now I'm bringing in a damp paper towel again to kind of wipe around the outsides so that we don't have any epoxy dry where we don't need it. Coming in with a soft makeup brush, I'm just kind of blending the edges into the model a little bit better. Most of this is actually going to be done once the epoxy hardens and I'm able to sand the edges. So don't have to be super picky at this point, at least the way I do it. Alright, now I'm picking up my tools and gonna clear this workspace a little bit. Here I'm rinsing out my cup after using it because no one wants epoxy to harden on their tools. And there you have it. He's finished and ready to cure. Thanks for watching, guys.